Morning traders, hope you are well. This is the early morning briefing for the 22nd of February. Of course, I'll do a full market analysis later on, but just want to highlight a couple of things in terms of the short-term charts. Very little volume, of course. It's just coming up to 7 a.m. here in the UK. Gold is now hitting a liquidity zone here. See this yellow block here, and highly likely to roll over. However, the strength meter on this is saying that there is strength to the upside. So we just wait for the strength meter to turn around and wait for change of character, and then we will be going short. So the best support and resistance areas are 2033. Any break above there is a strong buy, up to 2040.81, and then off down up to 20049.54. So I've just woken up, so I'm a bit groggy, but as long as the price holds above 2024.47, then that will hold up. But we could see some divergence at some stage. We've got a head and shoulders pattern, which may just suddenly just emerge, and we also have a wave 5 in place. So below 2024 heads for 2016.73, and then on to 2008.01. Pound yen 190.03, shot up overnight, which is fantastic. If you're long, we've been long for quite some time, and there's a 64% chance of this going much higher. And as long as the price holds above 189.53, first target has been hit 189.93. The next target is 190.32, 190.72, and then 191.13. So if you're day trading, if you want to hold on, and then as long as the price holds above 189.53, then you'll see a stepping stone effect. So see this pivot here, it goes up, it goes up, it goes up, and so on. So there's a stepping stone effect into an uptrend. So highly likely to go to 190.72. Euro yen is another one. This has a 93% strength on the meter. If you want to know more about the strength, then just go to the website, watch trending today, and it will show you strong sells and strong buys. So further upside is likely as long as it holds above 162.25, 162.70, 163.07, 163.52. New Zealand yen, congratulations if you held on. You're doing very well. So here's the stepping stone of it in effect. So there's the stepping stone, stepping stone, stepping stone, stepping stone, stepping stone. So as long as the price holds above the central pivot, then you can expect the price to go higher. He's hit the first target, 93.05. Expect it to go to 93.44. So I've just checked the strength meter, and it's 97%. So very, very strong. This is one of the favorite ones. So let's just check Euro yen, 93%. So that's one of my favorite trades for today. New Zealand yen, 97%. So there's a very strong trend going up. Next target is 93.44. Next target is 93.89. Next target is 94.34. Aussie yen will be doing the same thing. Target is 98.85, 99.11. Pound yen is weaker, as you can see. This has only a 64%. It's still high, but what you could find with these lower strengths is that the price could come down to the pivot before it starts to move up. So anything above 70% is strong. If it's 97%, it's a no-brainer. So Euro New Zealand is very strong to the downside. It has a 97% strength meter, and as you can see, it's broken the central pivot. So that's a fresh trade. So next target is 174.44. Next target is 173.85. 174.42. Yeah. 173.85. Yes. Pound New Zealand, this is doing exactly the same thing, but choose your this. I wouldn't choose this one because of that support area there. The Euro New Zealand looks better. Pound Aussie starting to wake up at last. We've been in this for a few weeks, and next target is, this is very strong. Let me just check the meter. Meat is 87%, so this is a valid trade if you want to trade it. Happy days at your own risk, of course. Next target 192.25. Next target 191.81. Next target 191.40, and then on to 191.01. So that's it. The dollar's not doing much. Let's have a quick look at DXY. DXY is going weaker. So our target's probably been hit on the Swiss. Just about to be hit on the Swiss. If you get to a position where the price has gone and hit S2 before you wake up, then that's too late. You need to get into an early move. Let's just have another quick look at... So in order for gold to go down, which we expect, we need to see that US dollar goes up, and that may be this afternoon during the New York session. Have a great day.